guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Betty and I'm mom of 3 beautiful girls, and today I want to remove my Christmas decors, pack them ready for next year, and also I want to rearrange my living room again because I don't like it the way it is right now. I want to retain the green theme that I had for Christmas for like 2 weeks because I'm so in love with the green theme. To disinfect the floor, I'm using this multi-purpose disinfectant which cleans and protects against bacteria and germs. And what I'm doing right now is spray it on the floor, leave it like that. This time around, I'm not going to mop it. So yeah.
Oh, so it's guaranteed I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my
To clean my coffee and side table, I'm using Magni all-purpose cleaner, and all the products that I'm going to use today are from Magni cleaning products.
What you think? Cause you're in my. You're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can get here, so my story. With dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer, we can do my days. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying, oh, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? Now what you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? Now what you think? I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers on me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my.
This is my new vacuum cleaner and I'm using it for the first time. I'll give you the review of it after I have used it for like 2 to 3 times. are doing fine. My name is Betty and I'm mom of 3 beautiful girls, and today I want to go to the town. I have some few errands that I need to do in the town CBD, and before that I have some few items and products that I ordered from Jumia that I want to unbox with you. And here are the items. This is the items. I don't know why they packed for me like this, but it's okay. Things were well delivered. So starting with this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Purifying Jelly Water. This is jelly water for removing the makeup, and I ordered it in charcoal because I wanted to try the charcoal one, because I have used the other one, so I wanted to try this one. I don't know whether it's going to work for me, but yeah, this is, I ordered it from Jumia when they had a Black Friday. So, and also I have this is anti-blemishing serum with charcoal, so from Garnier. Also I also wanted to try it, so I had to order one. So that is it. And also I have this Garnier. This is Ruron from Garnier. I'm going to try it because I have never also used this one, but aina good scent, aina that good scent, so I don't love it. I don't love the scent of this one, so but I'm still going to use it. So I also ordered this is the hard mixture. This one, for this one it was quite cheap because I bought it at 300 and something from Jumia also. So it comes with these two mixture. So they have this one and also the other one, this one, and this is the hard mixture that I'm talking about. I think for this one you're going to connect them here and also the other one here. So this is the mixture, which I love it so much. So that is it for what I ordered from Jumia. I just wanted to unbox with you that one before I leave the house. So this is the scent of the day. This is the scent that I'm going to use, and I love it. It has a very nice scent, but I think I'm going to add more of this. So this is the scent that I'm going to use. So yeah, I'm also going to have this bag, just this simple bag, and also I have this jacket that I'm going to put on. So, and also I'm going to put the necklace. So let me show you after I have done all that. But I'm going to put this, I'm going to cut this. So, and I have already shown you the scent of the day, this one. So let's go, guys. No, let me first show you the outfit of the day, then we leave. So this is the outfit. I have this dress. I have the dress that I thrifted from Decor. I have this jacket. I got it from Siri, and also I'm having this bag. I decided to wear these shoes. I don't know whether guys you can see. It's a heel shoes, and that is the outfit.